The man investigators say slit an elderly woman's throat and left her body in the trunk of the car returns to court this afternoon. And as Local 12's Larry Davis reports live from Hamilton, today we heard from another resident at the retirement community where the victim lived and where the suspect once worked. Larry.
Hi, Cammie. Well, there was something really unusual about today's hearing. The prosecution was asking the judge in this case to allow them to take a deposition of a witness well in advance of the trial. Prosecutors were concerned that the witness would not be available either because of age or because of illness. 2 weeks after being arraigned on new death penalty charges, Daniel French returned to a Butler County courtroom. French is charged with the 2012 killing of Barbara Howe. Her body was found in the trunk of her car in Middletown. Prosecutor Mike Moser said he did not want to take a chance with justice not being served by not having the testimony of Phyllis McDaniel. The defense countered that age should not be an issue. The judge eventually sided with the prosecution. The 78-year-old McDaniel also lived at the same Monroe retirement home as Barbara Howe. Police say she received a call from a man who wanted to fix her medical alert system.
And that there was a problem with my lifeline, and if you would like to come and check it. And I said, I'm in bed. I said, no. I said, it'll have to wait until tomorrow.
And prosecutors say that about a half hour after that phone call to Phyllis McDaniel, Barbara Howe received the same phone call. She allowed the man inside her home, and that's when the police say French went into her home, strangled her, shot her with a stun gun, and also cut her throat, and then put her body in the back of her car. Her body was later found in Middletown. Live in Hamilton, Larry Davis, Local 12 News. Cammie, back to you.
Hard to even imagine it, Larry. Thank you. This case could end up having 4 judges before it's over. 2 will end up recusing themselves because they formerly worked in the prosecutor's office. The current judge is retiring next month.